Hi everyone, in this video I am gonna show you how to add 0 before number in Microsoft Excel. You can see if you take 0 in front of this number 0 not appear in the Excel sheet. So I will show you two methods here. The first method is here, before type single inverted comma, then inside 0. If you want adding more 0, then type more 0. Now it appears 0, but this value is not converted to text format. That's why a green triangle appears here. So now right click on this exclamation sign from the list, select ignore error. Now see, this green sign is gone. Now I will show you the other method. Other method is good here. First select your number and then right click here. After that go to the format cell and then here click on custom and then type 0000 in general section. So how much 0 we want to type? So here we have 3 digits. So we need to type 40. If you want more than adding more 0. So it's a common sense. If the digit is 5, then we type 60. Now after that click OK. Here we can see all the number got 0 except this number. Why? Because this number is larger than other number. So that's it. Hope so you understand my point. If you still any query, feel free to ask me on the comment section. Thank you so much watching my tutorial. Keep learning. Have a nice day.